you guys can see, there's no more baffle. What the hell is up, guys? We are on the motherfucking Z900, of course, and as you just saw, there's no more baffle, man. And I didn't choose to freaking take the baffle out, alright? I was freaking zooming around with Kyle. Ooh, that sounds good though. I was zooming around with Kyle, and as you know, I went with the good old eBay special exhaust because, you know, I just don't care. And we were riding around, the baffle just decided to launch itself right out of my freaking muffler, dude. So we no longer have one. And you know, I'm pretty happy about it, to be honest with you. Woo! It sounds good, man. This Z900 has a freaking really good exhaust note. So for today's video, we're gonna go get some flybys, dude. Let's go get some exhaust clips. I usually do a wheelie across the motorcycle track, but it is freaking windy, man. We're still gonna do it anyway. They probably think I'm a freaking douchebag, to be honest. That's okay though. But this is the road that we did the Z900 exhaust on. That thing sounded dope, man. I still miss that bike a lot. And like I said, with all of these videos, I'm just commentating over the person riding, dude. I'm not riding, alright? Let's just make that clear. This thing's got a nutsack on it, man. But yeah, I think this is where we're gonna do it. So let's set up the motherfucking GoPro and get some exhaust clips. There you heard it. She is extremely loud, dude. And I filmed it once and it didn't even freaking record, so I had to go all the way back there, set it down, and film it again, dude. So that place is off freaking limits for a little while, man. I got the new GoPro, man. GoPro freaking Hero 12 or some shit, and I'm pretty stoked, dude. Hopefully these videos look a little better, because I had the Hero 7, dude, which is like old as hell. Still worked all right, but I was starting to have a bunch of issues with it. So hopefully this one looks a lot better. I think the audio I got down pretty good. We have already put 1,000 miles. In 100 miles, it'll be 1,000 miles on this bike. So by the end of today, we'll have 1,000 miles of riding done on this bike. So I'll probably do like a review or I don't know, just my thoughts on the bike in about another 1,000 miles. Woo, shit, hauling ass. But that only took about 2 weeks, so stay tuned. That shit's gonna be coming up pretty quick. Oh, we gotta listen here. Sheesh, bro. This thing is just, it sounds sick. I think I like how it sounds more than the FZ, not gonna lie. You guys want to see a first gear freaking floor it wheelie, dude? Dude, this thing is quick, man. This thing is just a monster. Oh shit, more freaking gravel, man. Colorado roads just are not ideal. You guys should comment down below which gas station sells the best gas. Which gas station has the gas that'll make your bike the fastest. Man, just get a look at this thing real quick. This thing just looks freaking tight. Also, you guys should let me know. I was thinking about taking just these green stripes off, just on the headlight. I would leave that one and that one. I don't know if I'm gonna yet though. Just feel like it. It's a big old headlight. I kind of want to change that headlight. This thing's sick, man. I'm so stoked with this bike. So stoked. It's such a fun bike. Stay tuned for the review for sure, man. Oh my gosh. This thing is insane, dude. I like this bike a lot. Yeah, I hope you guys liked that video. I see a lot of videos on here of Z900 exhaust. Like I was trying to look at some, and it's like nobody freaking floors it, dude. Let me hear some limiter, you know? Let me hear some freaking all the way through the rev range. Hopefully this video will help you guys decide if you like the way the bike sounds. So like and subscribe. We're about to head to Garden of the Gods right now. That's going to be the next video, and we will see you next time.